God, what a summer so far. Today, supposed to do the stripes, but let's start off with this little logo here, Team Corvette, in gold to match the rims.
And the same here. I were trying to get so close I can with the color of the stripes matching the rims, but not exactly. But you can't get everything perfect on a perfect car. And now, for the first time, I've been trying to put the stripes on, and so far I'm satisfied. Been a bit afraid that it won't stuck to the PPF, but so far it seems to be pretty solid. It's so hard to make it a perfect lineup, but according to the measurement from that corner to that and that to that, it's supposed to have a diff on 1 millimeter. So nervous, but I think I kind of like it. It matched the thoughts I had on the car. So far so good. Now it's time to do the roof and the back. I must admit, the way I want it, my C8, is really the way it has become. Now, when I'm half through with the things I've planned for it, so my rims, I really like it. And the stripes goes all the way. So, sum it up, I love the C8.